Hania is playing with her toys and I'm watching TV. When she finishes playing, she will go to sleep.
Brother, I'm tired. I want to sleep now. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Just read your bedtime dua and go to sleep. I'm praying now. Come on, let's thank Allah for our day. Let me clean up these toys so you can sleep peacefully. Oh, the curtain just moved. It's only the wind. Don't be scared. Just read your bedtime dua and go to sleep. Repeat after me. Allahumma Bismika Amutu wa Ahya. Allahumma Bismika Amutu wa Ahya. This means sleeping is like a small death, and waking up is like being given life again by Allah. All right, lights off now. Rest well. Allah protects all of us. Look at the stars. Look at the stars.